Big news, Indian official acceptance of the accidental firing of the missile. Pakistan has issued a statement. I quote the statement here. India must explain the measures and procedures in place to prevent the accidental missile launches and the particular circumstance of the incident. Now, Pakistan's statement has said India needs to clearly explain the type and specifications of the missile that fell in Pakistani territory, and not just that, also asking India to explain the flight path or the trajectory of the accidentally launched missile and how it ultimately turned and entered into Pakistan. So a long, elaborate statement with a list of questions. That Pakistan statement that has been issued says, was the missile equipped with self-destruct mechanism? Why did it fail to actualize? Are Indian missiles kept primed for launch even under routine maintenance? So these list of questions primarily because Pakistan was caught off guard when that missile appeared to have fallen into the Pakistani territory, and therefore Pakistan's statement asks, why did India fail to immediately inform Pakistan about this accidental launch of the missile and waited to acknowledge only after Pakistan made an announcement and sought clarification? And finally, the Pakistan statement says, given the profound level of incompetence, India needs to explain if the missile was indeed handled by the armed forces or rogue elements. They are calling this loopholes and technical lapses.